Let's talk about topic 1.1, why programming, why Java? As a programmer, it is important to keep two perspectives or points of view in mind: the human's perspective and the machine's. One way humans know if a program is working as intended is by telling the machine to display or output results. We can do this by calling system.out.print or system.out.println. System.out.print and system.out.println display information on the computer monitor. Let's try it out. Here's a program that constructs a variable to store the first name Joyce and another variable to store the last name Pineda. It then calls system.out.print or system.out.println to display information. What do you predict will be the output from lines 13 through 17? What do you notice about the output when system.out.print is called? What do you notice about the output when system.out.println is called? System.out.println moves the cursor to a new line after the information has been displayed. A string literal is enclosed in double quotes. Can you identify string literals in the example above?